Let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the local bourse. Not much activity when it came to the handover from the Asian markets, as most markets have been closed for holiday, including China, Hong Kong and Japan. And quite interestingly, the market is down, even though we did get good news coming from the Minister of Electricity saying that there will probably be no load shedding this winter. The oil share declining by more than 0.25%, and that largely coming from the industrial 25 that has sunk almost 1.5%. The financial 15 showing a loss of more than 0.9%, but backing that trend and coming in with very, very strong gains is the resources 10 complex, rising sharply by more than 3%. Let's take a look at the markets stateside, and on that front, those markets coming off great gains of about 9 consecutive days. So seeming that steam has come off a little bit today. Of course, we are awaiting the Fed's next monetary policy move. They will be giving us their latest interest rate decision on Wednesday night. S&P 500 declining by more than 0.33%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq giving up more than 0.5%, but backing that trend is the Dow with a slight gain of almost 0.1%. Let's take a look at what is happening with markets across the Atlantic, and we are seeing the FTSE 100 there closed. Of course, there in the UK, we are expecting the Bank of England to come out with its next monetary decision. That is on Thursday. But in the meantime, they do have a bank holiday today. CAC 40 declining by more than 0.5%, and the DAX coming in with a strong gain of more than 1%. Let's check in on the currency scene and start off with how the rand is doing against some of the major currencies. Really great moves we're seeing on the local unit, now just below 18 rand 28 against the US dollar, against the pound at 24 rand 31, and against the euro at 20 rand 71. Let's take a look at the other currency pairs, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.13, pound dollar at 1.33, and the yen just below 144 against the US dollar. Of course, we have seen significant weakness on the greenback.